Welcome to our DIY crafts tutorial. Today, we're going to create an adorable hair bow using cotton fabric. I usually love using ribbon to make hair bows, but today, we're trying something different. We're going to dive into the world of fabric hair bows. This is a first time for me, so let's explore this together and have some fun. Fold this in half. We will stitch where the lines are, leaving the middle open. We will stitch the sides. Now we will turn the fabric inside out. We will work on the tail of the bow. We will fold this in half. We will make a mark 5 centimeters. Draw a line diagonally. And to the other end. Cut along the lines. We will stitch along the line, leaving the middle open. We will turn the fabric inside out. We will use our ruler to find the center. Now we will sew them together. Pull the thread to gather our fabric. Wrap the thread to secure the shape. Now we will attach the French hair clip. Pull this piece out first. Glue the back of the clip. Attach to the back of the bow. We will make our centerpiece. We will fold in half and stitch along the line. Turn the fabric inside out. We will attach it to the bow. And stitch. Cut the excess fabric. Turn the ribbon around to hide the stitch. We will return the piece back inside. It's finished. I hope you enjoy making this bow with me. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY fun. See you next time.